Busy. Tired. To help. To tidy. Tidy your bedroom. Tidy your desk. Coffee. To make. Make a coffee. Make a sandwich. You. Me. Can you make me a sandwich? I can't make you a sandwich. I'm busy. Can you help me tidy my bedroom? I can't help you tidy your bedroom. I'm tired. Can you drive me home? I can't drive you home. I am busy. Can he make me a coffee? He can't make you a coffee. He's busy. Can they help me paint the kitchen? They can't help you paint the kitchen. They are tired. With. I can't play with you. I'm tired. I can't speak with you. I'm busy. He can't tidy your bedroom with you. He's tired. She can't make that cake with you. She's busy. Please. Sorry. Can you help me, please? Sorry, we can't help you. We are busy. Can you dance with me, please? Sorry, I can't dance with you. I'm tired. Can you help me with the dishes, please? Sorry, I can't help you with the dishes. I'm busy. Can you read me a book, please? Sorry, I can't read you a book. I'm tired. Can you help me with this email, please? Sorry, I can't help you with this email. I'm busy. Can you make me a coffee, please? Sorry, I can't make you a coffee. I'm tired.